That's him. Show y'all we in 707. I mean, my bad, 717. Come on! Hey, come on, get in front of me! Get in front of me! Yeah, go that way. Devontae, go that way. Hold on. Hold on. Go that way. Go that way.
That shit look good. We gonna figure it out. The glitch.
And the glitch. You gotta be my eyes for this shit. It look good though, I ain't gonna lie.
Nah, that shit, it's straight too.
Yo, AB, what's going on, man? It's your boy AB. As y'all can see, we got the POV. Daily Avery, if y'all want to see this, click the first link in the description. We got the POV finally, man. We about to ride down ATL late night. Let's get it.
That shit looks amazing.
Hey, this shit be feeling good when you in a cat, though.
Got logged into your what's it?
What?
Your drive channel?
You should. It's all my on my main email.
I got everything. I'm not gonna upload this bitch tonight, but I'm damn sure gonna put it on the app tonight.
I got some stuff to put with it.
Shit, you can send me everything.
We drop every Wednesday.
Every Wednesday?
Every Wednesday.
Damn, we need to drop more.
Every Wednesday for right now. Every Wednesday.
Why every Wednesday?
We just being consistent right now. Being consistent. We ain't gonna OD. We got other channels to worry about too. But once we get a good following on this, then we gonna start dropping more. So y'all make sure y'all hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. You gotta earn it. I'm about to go to Waffle House right now, y'all. I'm gonna need some gas at the end of this though, the way I'm driving.
You never recorded your POVs like that?
Nah, I never.
Oh yeah.
This the one. This the
Yeah.
perfect, most perfect way we could have ever did it.
Another breakthrough.
Breakthroughs happen when you try.
Yes, sir.
In Miami tripping, nigga.
Tell me more assertive. In order to get one of these, you must take action. You try that in the academy, dude.
Trapping on the drives.
I'm telling you.
We about to trap out the drives, y'all.
Yeah.
I think last video did 2K, right?
Shit, I don't even know.
See, bro, you gotta look. You gotta tune
I don't
in.
be caught up in the view. I just drop.
You right.
I'm down to action.
You right. What's next type shit, huh?
Yep. You know, Section 8 said that in the interview, bro.
What you say?
He said, shit, he don't be focused on the views, bro. He just...
That facts. You get caught up in that
You
shit.
can't get too comfortable, bro. You definitely gotta hit it on this tunnel, too.
I don't even know where we going. What he doing? We probably supposed to turn. You finna go home? Yeah. Thought you was going to Waffle House. Man, bro, hit this turn.
You said you out here now.
We about to do something illegal, y'all.
No.
What you mean, no?
I'm just saying, like, no for it.
Don't do that at home,
You
kids.
talking about what you mean, though?
Don't try that at home, y'all. He said I missed a stop at the Waffle House.
How y'all doing? Camera ain't up. Nah, I can goddamn talk my shit.
Camera is 100% up.
Nah, they labor ain't up. You know, I'm not too much accustomed to them. I'm not too much accustomed to them, bro. Like, you gotta tell me what you're doing, bro.
Following you. Following you. Huh? You going home? His ass look like JT. You know what I'm talking about?
JT with the free farms?
Hell yeah.
Not like me.
Hey, he kinda do though.
What want me to do? You going home for real? Alright, man. Have a good night. Huh? Nah, he is. Him and Vontae is.
In Miami tripping.
Fuck a red light. Alright, y'all. I'm about to take him home. Y'all about to watch my view from when I take him home. It's a roach on the ground. That's so ATL.
Get out and pick it up.
What? Driving home in track. Driving home in track mode. Nigga, that's the title. That'd be hard.
You gotta put the specs behind it.
Driving home in track mode. Track mode 24
There's a
hours.
lot of Hellcats outside.
Yeah, it is a lot of cats. This is a Daytona right here. This is a Hemi. This is the one I had. Look, he like,
Same thing.
huh?
It's the same thing, right?
What?
Well, nah, let me not say
Hemi
that.
and Hellcat? Don't say that out loud. This is the car channel. They know.
Let me not say that over
You're gonna
there.
look crazy if you say that over here.
My bad.
Yeah, don't do that.
I be thinking they dead everywhere and shit.
Late night POV. I don't know, bro. We gotta get an intake. I'm about to roll the windows up so you can hear it more. You can hear the wine better and shit.
You're not gonna get the ambient lightings.
Nigga, I don't got no ambient light.
Now I'm asking, are you gonna get that?
Oh nah, I can't. This a rare cat, bro. You can't do too much of that shit. Investors gonna buy this bitch for $2 million one day. You don't wanna, you know, fuck up the value. I know, right? We didn't even think about that, huh? Today was a pretty good day, huh? Oh, you talking about tunnel? Shit, I can't go around the tunnel too crazy right here. Need a better tunnel.
I heard you on Durango in the tunnel before.
Yeah, that motherfucker different. You know them aftermarket pipes. Open closed pipes type shit. I heard I can do that on here. Just gotta keep the originals.
Let me guess, you're not gonna do it as right.
Yep. You got it, bud. Better or worse?
Worse. It's supposed to be like this, like it's a vibe, it's a nighttime. You don't want to have no light in it unless it's got
Or,
no, I watch this type of shit.
for real? How to run out of gas in Atlanta?
Out of gas?
Huh?
Need gas?
Yeah. I get it in the morning. No, I don't need it that bad. We don't never stop at red lights at night. Ain't that right?
Yeah. Damn sure. Fuck a real life. I think that's a good video to come back on watching that. That shit hard. 4 pods set up. I need what's the name on this shit. I'm definitely going to Florida. I need see it on this shit.
No, that's tough.
I need to come out the back and gun it with my mom to my nigga.
In it.
What? The whole vlog, I drove 12 hours to this. However long before Florida is, nigga, I'll make the drive.
If you had a cat, would you drive it like this?
What?
Like just screaming that bit?
Man, what? Twin. And you see how I drive your Durango? But I'll be a little bit more cautious though, twin, just because I know how, like,
Police.
not even police.
They're like
bro.
police beside me right there.
Shit ain't good.
What?
Just talking. But I'd be a little bit more cautious, bro. Just knowing just like how I treated my last car. But I know on that Hellcat, I really have to grind. But yeah, bro, I'll drive that bit exactly like this. Not in track.
Bro, you just gotta love what you do, bro.
Yeah.
Truthfully, bro, if you want anything in life, you just gotta love what you do.
Yeah,
For real. That passion gonna get you anywhere you want.
exactly.
I just put my passion and grind into this.
Definitely gotta love what you do, man. Like I like driving, bro. I like,
Huh?
say somebody behind you.
Yeah. They close to here. See them blacked out? Gotta roll the window down to see them. Coming up on the side. Yeah, that bit I need to go that way. Huh? I was making sure the other dude wasn't getting over.
Definitely gotta move right in the cat.
Chill, Cash, you need you one of these
Trust me.
just to feel safe.
Trust me, twin. But when I get my shit, nigga, I'm not gonna be driving by myself.
Who the fuck you gonna be driving with?
Me and Aaron popping out every day. Or somebody, nigga. I'm not popping out solo with my cat, nigga.
Why, bro?
Huh?
Why?
Why not? That's just how I wanna move. I wanna, like, nigga, every day I pop out, I wanna be like 3, 4, 5 car deep. Fat ass Draco in that bitch. Damn, bro, we really down there. Bank of America.